Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this package. This package I have received from Avishkar Narsinge of Nasik, Maharashtra. I had received this envelope on 21st of July 2022. Let's open it up and see the currencies coming out of this package. This was a nicely packed package received by me. Come on, let's unbox this. The first one is a 20 Nepali rupee issued in the year 1981 to 2001. This currency has the portrait of King Birendra Bir Bikram with Plumed Crown. Also, there is a landscape of a Krishna temple, and on the reverse is a Sambar deer. The second one is the latest edition of UAE Dirhams. For those who are new, this is a polymer edition of 10 dirhams of UAE with the landscape of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi. And on the reverse is a Khor Fakkan amphitheatre, and the watermark of this 10 UAE dirham is Sheikh Zayed Al Nahyan. The third one is a 50 kyats of Myanmar issued in the year 1958. On the obverse is the portrait of General Aung San, and on the reverse is a Mandalay temple. The fourth one is 100 Afghani of Afghanistan. On the obverse is the portrait of King Muhammad Zahir, and on the reverse is a Friday Mosque at Herat. The next are the currency sets from Pakistan. The first one is 100 Pakistani rupees, predominantly pink in color. On the obverse is the portrait of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and on the reverse is Qaid al-Azam Residency at Zairat, Balochistan. The sixth one is 50 Pakistani rupees, predominantly purple in color. On the obverse is the portrait of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and on the reverse is Karakoram Peak. The seventh and the last one is a 20 Pakistani rupee. On the obverse is the portrait of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and on the reverse is the ruins of Mohenjo-daro at Larkana. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.onearcher.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect